Hey y'all, I'm back. Thank you guys for tuning in for another tutorial. Make sure that you all stay tuned so you know exactly what you need to achieve my tribal updo look, alright? Now let's get started. So my hair is divided into 4 large sections because I did detangle before this look. However, it is really important to go ahead and keep these sections, although it doesn't really look like I've done so at this point. I'm going to divide that top section of my hair in half. From here, I'm just going to continue to make curved parts going toward the back of my head. I'm going to have about 5 on each side. This part is completely up to you. You make your parts as big or as small as you would like. And we're just going to repeat these exact same steps on the opposite side of our head. Alright ladies, so half of our hair is completely parted. So what we're going to do next is just begin to flat twist all of the parts in the front of our head, alright? Alright ladies, so we are almost done with that first part of our hair, and now all we're going to do are our side twist, okay? This is definitely my favorite part of the hairstyle, but all we're going to do is flat twist them on each side, and then I'm going to clamp them so that they do not loosen up, alright? Now that is complete, we're going to begin to flat twist the back of our hair, and so all I'm going to do with these parts is just part them directly up and down. I'm not going to have any type of design, but again, this part is up to you. We're just going to flat twist up and then bantu knot them at the end. Next up, we're just going to create our bun, alright? So I'm going to go ahead and unravel all of my bantu knots, and then from there I'm going to put my hair in a high ponytail, alright? So making sure that it's as tight as it can be, and then from there I'm just going to create an even smaller bun. So I'm just going to roll my hair up under and around until I have a nice little bun, and so voila, easy as that. Okay, so now it's time for us to create our bun, and as you can see, I've already wrapped the crochet hair around a large hair tie. I'm just going to begin to wrap it around my hair. It's really simple. Again, this part is completely up to you, and then make sure that you bobby pin to secure your bun. Next up, we're going to begin to bead our hair. What I'm going to do is slide my hair through a bobby pin, alright? And so from there, I'm going to pull my hair up, and then I'm going to slide the beads around a bobby pin and just continue to push my hair up. It's kind of complicated to explain because it did take me a minute to figure this out, but once you get it, it's super simple. So then from there, we're just going to repeat that exact same step on the opposite side of our head. Right ladies, we are almost done, and it is now time for us to wrap our hair. So we're going to take a break, we're going to go to sleep, and we will be back on day 2. And voila, just like that, we have a finished product. Hello everybody, it is now day 2, and this is what my hair now looks like. Y'all, I am really in love with this style. It's a little bit different than some of the other styles that I have done, but I wanted to add a little bit of a twist to my bun. Alright, so y'all, let's go ahead and jump on into this look so you all can see what my hair finally looks like, alright? Alright y'all, and so this is it. The only issue that I kind of have with this hairstyle was me sleeping last night. I don't think I was fully prepared for this part. However, I absolutely love this look. It's really fun. And if this isn't really for you and you get tired of these twists hanging down the side of your hair, you could always go ahead and pin this back up. And I think that's what I will eventually do. Alright, and so you kind of have 2 different looks going on here if that is something that you want to do. But as for right now, I am digging this whole look I got going on, so I'm going to leave my hair down. But as always, you all, I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have enjoyed doing this look. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think down below. So I will see you guys really soon, alright? Bye!